Hello guys, how are you? Hope you're fine. Now welcome back to another video about Polygon Matic. Today video is very good news video for everybody because my friends, today the cryptocurrencies market is taken a very huge pump and Polygon Matic is taken a very I'm very happy, and you know what, I'm very excited. Nobody can expect this from a Polygon Matic. But now that's the reality, my friends. Polygon is the future gem. Buy now more and more Polygon Matic. I hope that in the future the Polygon Matic will give you a huge amount of profit and they'll make you millionaire. Let me show you the latest update of the Polygon Matic, but please I request everybody to please subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news, for more updates video about Polygon Matic. Thanks for subscribing ABS Tech channel. Now my friends, you can see here my friends that today Polygon going to hit a $1 dollar. So that's really good news for everybody that today Polygon reached to $1 dollar. And my friends, on the other side, if we look the price chart, so you can see my friends that the whole changes occurs in a Polygon is positive. Massive jumps occur by the Polygon Matic, and especially let me show you the price chart. That is just the last 60-minute price chart of the Polygon Matic, and absolutely my friends taken a very huge pump in the last 60 minutes. That is just the 60-minute update of the Polygon Matic. You can see here 1.06% the price increase in 1.03. The currently price of the Polygon Matic is the highest price of the Polygon. So now it's a pumping time, my friends. Anyways, what is your opinion? What is your price prediction about Polygon Matic? Also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe ABS Tech channel for more news and updates videos.